Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing the voiceover for Sangeeta on her request. Today's video is gonna be about how to apply the charcoal mask correctly so that one can get the best out of it. So let's get started. She has got Vitaline Activated Charcoal Black Mask, which I believe she has bought from Amazon. She will be sharing the link of the same in the description box below. Actually, she has seen many young people trying to apply this but were facing a lot of trouble in applying as well as removing the mask. It caused them a lot of pain. So this prompted her for making this DIY tutorial wherein she can help out those who are in search of proper way to apply this charcoal mask and get the best out of it. Now one should moisturize their lips before applying the mask, and also to get better results it is advisable to wash the face properly and get the steam. Point to note here is that the allergic test needs to be done prior to applying this product directly on the face. If you feel that it's causing allergic effects to your skin, then one shouldn't be using this product. This product has a very nice texture and is very consistent. She has used this for a couple of times now and the experience was very nice and promising. So let's get started by applying a thick layer on the nose and cheeks area. As she has been doing in all her other peel off videos, she highly recommends to apply a very thick layer of this mask to get proper and better. If the thick layer is not applied, then one might get dry patches or rashes on the skin. After applying to nose and cheeks, we will go on to apply this mask on the whole face. Now the places where it takes more time to dry should be ones to be more concentrated upon. While applying, one must take care to apply the mask in equal amounts on every part of the face so that the mask is consistent. As she has applied the mask now, it has to be kept for some time to dry. So it has to be kept for 35 minutes to dry. So we'll see you after 35 minutes. It has been 35 minutes and you can still see that the mask hasn't completely dried. So she decides to keep it for another 5 minutes so that it is completely dried off. Okay, so now you can see the mask is completely dried. So looks good to be peeled off now. Okay, so we are good to go with the peel off steps. So let's start with the process of peel off now, and she will be explaining the right process to remove the mask. First of all, start slowly with the removal of the mask from the bottom of the cheeks near to the jawline using your nails. So check if the mask is completely dried off. If it hasn't completely dried, then it's better to keep it for some time to dry properly. So now you can see that it is coming out really nice, very easily. You have to be very careful about the baby hairs near the ears, as removing them along with the mask can be really painful. So you can slowly remove the hairs from the mask and then peel the mask off. So you don't have to remove the hairs completely. So that's the best way to do it. As you can see, the mask has started to come out really well and the skin has also started to glow. Looks like the mask has done its cleaning effect nicely. So the mask is off the cheeks now, and now we are proceeding to remove the mask from the nose slowly. So she has taken the utmost care to remove the whole mask in one single piece. So that is the way she likes to do it. So slowly she removes the mask from her forehead. And as you can see, she's plucking out the hairs very carefully, and she removes the mask very carefully. The leftover mask on the hair can be washed off later. As you can see, the mask has come out really nice, and it's in one single piece. And you can see the skin is also like skin of Sangita is really glowing now. Looks like she's happy with the product. Now as you can see, the mask is removed. It has also removed a good amount of whiteheads from the skin. So in the end, I would say that she is really satisfied and happy with the product, and she would surely recommend to others to go for it and give it a try, and you would surely won't be disappointed. Also, she would be back with other video really soon, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to her channel.